Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 7 fraction and decimals. Our today's topic, dear students, the word fractions. You must have learned the fractions, different type of fractions. Okay, mainly proper fractions, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. These are the types. Okay. So first of all, we talk about fractions. Introductions. You see, a proper fraction is a fraction that represent a part of whole. Correct? Say for example, 3 upon 5. This 3 it is numerator, 5 is denominator. Correct? Next, 10 upon 12. Proper fraction. 1 upon 5. Proper fraction. 3 upon 7. Proper fraction. 1 upon 2. Proper fraction. Correct? So what do you learn and what do you get the concept of proper fraction? Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. You see, these all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fractions I have written. In that, numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Here numerator 3, denominator 5. 3 is less than 5, 10 is less than 12, 1 is less than 5, 3 is less than 7, 1 is less than 2. So these all are proper fractions. Let's we talk about improper fractions. Five upon it is improper fraction. 12 upon 5 improper fraction. 7 upon 2 improper fraction. 9 upon 2 improper fraction. Now in improper fractions, numerator is always greater than denominator. Correct. You see. Now another type of fraction, that is mixed fraction. Now how can you get mixed fraction? That also you knew in your previous standard. Mixed fraction, it is get from improper fraction. How? You see, 5 upon 2 means 5 divided by, when you do 5 divided by 2, 2 to the, when you subtract it, you will get 1 remainder. So how it becomes this mixed fraction, right? Here 5 upon 2, right? So 2, write down 2 here. Then 2 to the 4 means you have to start from this essay applicable. Correct. two integer 1 upon 2. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 upon. हेलो बोलो नोटबुक में लिखने हैं नोट्स तो नोटबुक में ही लिखेंगे ना बेटा अब अभी मेरा पीरियड चल रहा है ना इधर प्रॉपरली लिखा है ओके नाउ 12 upon 5 12 upon 5 to the 10 12 minus 10 means what so here upon 5 means 5 we have to put over here and start to write from here to here how you write टू इंटीजर यहाँ आपको क्वेश्चन लिखना है टू इंटीजर 2 upon 5 5 to the 10 plus 2 12 upon 5 okay so like this way you can get mixed number come back to our point right proper fraction we have seen improper fraction also we have seen and mixed fraction you get from improper fraction only but not proper fraction okay now suppose in exam I will ask that classify into improper fraction proper fraction and proper fraction improper and mixed fraction correct so now 2 upon 3 it is which fraction denominator is lower than so denominator is bigger than numerator so this is proper fraction correct 7 upon 5 this is improper fraction 3 integer 5 upon 2 3 to the 6 plus 5 11 upon 2 correct this is mixed fraction and this is improper fraction okay let's we see like fraction means what is mean by like fraction means what the fraction having denominators equal 1 upon 2 7 upon 2 5 upon 2 right 10 upon 2 these all are like fraction now what is unlike fraction unlike fraction means what the fraction having denominators are different say for example 1 upon 7 7 upon 10 5 upon 3 10 upon 11 right? These all fraction have denominators are different so unlike fraction okay so dear students till here we study today this is the introduction of our fraction next time we will do next topic so till then have a nice day and goodbye